For 4.5 billion years, our solar system has been a stable island in the chaotic ocean of the Milky Way. We took our safety for granted. But the galaxy is not static. Our telescopes have detected something impossible. A rogue neutron star, dense as an atomic nucleus, has changed course. It is not aimed at Earth. It is aimed squarely at our Sun. Impact is in 1,000 years. When it hits, it won't just destroy life. It will unmake the entire solar system. Panic is the first response. But then, a cold realization. We cannot move Earth alone. Without the Sun's gravity and heat, we freeze in the void. To survive, we must move everything. How do you move a star? In 1987, physicist Leonid Shkadov proposed an answer. The stellar engine, a megastructure of unimaginable scale. The plan is to build a massive curved mirror, a solar sail half the size of the star itself. It will hover over one pole of the Sun, held in place by gravity and radiation pressure. The mirror reflects the Sun's own light back onto it. This creates a photon thrust. It's tiny, but continuous. Over centuries, it will push the Sun, dragging all the planets along with it. The construction project consumes the entire inner solar system. We dismantle the planet Mercury just for the raw materials. A billion-year-old world turned into girders and reflective foil. Year 2500. The engine comes online. The acceleration is imperceptible at first, just millimeters per second squared. But it is relentless. On Earth, the climate goes chaotic. We have to build orbital shades to manage the reflected sunlight. The night sky changes. For the first time in human history, the constellations begin to shift. By year 3000, we pierce the heliosphere bubble. We leave the neighborhood. We are now a rogue system, a starship built of planets, crossing the interstellar void. The voyage takes 5 million years. The humanity that arrives is not the humanity that left. We evolve. We adapt to life on a moving world. We become a species of the void. We steer our system around supernovas and through dark nebulae. We are the captains of our own destiny. Finally, we arrive. A quiet, stable backwater of the galaxy, far from the neutron star that would have killed us. We turn off the engine. We look back at the pinprick of light where we came from. We realized we didn't just save our lives. We graduated. We are no longer planet-bound. We are galactic nomads. And the whole galaxy is now our home. End log.